Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. I just woke up, just opened like some of my gifts. That's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. I just want to get this across. My intention is not to brag. I just want to show you guys everything. I did this last year and I really enjoyed it, so I'm doing it again. First thing is this candle, Alpine Mint. It smells so good. It smells so freaking good. And you wanna know what we're gonna do? We're gonna light it. First thing is black pair of underwear. So I'm kind of sitting like this today because the first thing that I got, my mom got me a bunch of bras and underwear, and my drawer for bras is literally right here. And this is in my underwear drawers, and the other one's over there. So I'm sitting like this so I can put stuff away as I film and talk to you, and once I'm all done with that, I will switch myself back to my normal position. I'm not going to be showing you guys my underwear. I know I'm a YouTuber, but like, I never said I was smart, you know? This is the first bra. It's black, cherries on it. My next pair of underwear, it's like blue, has stars on it. Oh, and then these are like tie-dye, you can see it, and they have like some lace. And here are black cherry to match with the bra. So here is a red plaid set. And here we have, she needed to get me some plaid. More underwear. These are my personal favorite because they have little gingerbreads on them. Taking a break from bras and underwear, my mom got me a lavender bath bomb and an ocean bath bomb. The next thing I got is this pair of slippers, these slippers from Victoria's Secret, also for my mom, and they're really soft and really comfy. This is she. I have the black version of this, which I'm actually wearing right now. No, I'm not gonna show you guys my bra. But, yeah, I really like the pink version. I think I saw the pink version and I liked it. But either way, I like this a lot. Our last bra. So this is she. I actually own 0 bras like this, and I'm glad my mom got me this one because I like when I get something new that I don't have or I don't have any of. I don't know, I like it. It mixes it up, spices it up. It's like new. So I like it. I think it's pretty. Next thing is this pair of socks, and they have grippies on the bottom and they're soft on the inside and they look like super duper comfy, and I can't wait to wear them. And my mom also got me the same in navy blue, and I had requested some socks because no matter how many socks I own, it feels like I never ever have socks, and I wear sneakers every single day of my life. So the next thing is actually very cool, and I'm so stoked that my mom got it for me. So I saw a giveaway on Instagram for an art piece, and I love supporting smaller artists, or I love just art, you know? And look, tell me that's not really cool. So yeah, this girl on Instagram, she actually drew this, but this isn't the original. This is just obviously printed. But yo, this is so cool and it looks so good. And when I saw it, I really enjoyed it. And they have Toulouse and Ari and Elle Woods from Legally Blonde, and I'm really happy that I got it. And you have to get it framed. So until it gets framed, it lives in here. So, the first thing this is my mom's boyfriend. This is what he got me. He got me a book called The Family Upstairs from Barnes & Noble. And I want to get back into reading again, but when the last time I would read, really read, it was like middle school, and I was, you know, reading books like The Hunger Games and Divergent and stuff like that. And those are great, but I want something like little, like not like as teen, like young adult novels. Well, no, I am an adult, so like, oh shit. And then, so one day I was in Joanne Fabrics and I saw this. Sassy words to live by. Sarcasm and wit and just everything that I live for. And then when I was in Kohl's, I saw this and it was the cutest freaking thing ever. It's 4 of Ariana's perfumes. It's Ari, Sweet Like Candy, Moonlight, and the limited edition Sweet Like Candy. And they're like mini. They're literally like this big. All of them are very cute and I had to have them. And then my mom's boyfriend got me this flannel and it's folded up nice. I want to keep it folded nice. So red flannel. The next thing is a digital money counting jar. So I have a jar of change in my room because for me it's rewarding when I save up a little change, go to Walmart, and then I get to cash out my change. So this is it, like out of the plastic. It's plastic, this makes me happy. So the next thing I got is a Polaroid camera, which I wanted one of these for so long. I was gonna go out and buy it for myself so many times. And then my mom's boyfriend got me this Columbia hat. And I'm really stoked about that. And then the next thing I got was the scarf from my mommy. And this is the other scarf. I wanted more scarves, so I got more scarves. The last thing is I got from my dad and his girlfriend was a pair of white Crocs. I've only worn them like once or twice and they're comfy, but Ariana has a pair of white Crocs. So what did I do? I went and I bought a pair of white Crocs. Okay, y'all, but that's it for now. This video is gonna be so long and honestly, I can't believe we're already a half hour. All right, I already have a half hour footage, but I will see you guys when I get more stuff. Peace out. Hey y'all, so we outfit changed. Today has been crazy. What's up? I still gotta show you some stuff I got. So this is the Ariana Grande Christmas and Chill, and we have Toulouse with some reindeer antlers, and then we also have sweatpants that say thank you next. The next thing I got is this lip balm. Smells amazing. Yeah, more clothing. So I got some Selena Gomez merch. Period. Cause y'all, I stan Selena now. I'm a Selena stan, okay? Period. Taste only in this house. Am I right or am I right? I'm right. Right? I'm right. And the next thing is I got 2 and I have 1, but little heart candles that smell amazing. And my Nana and I got these in Salem, and these just like bring back the smell of Salem and like Salem, like oh my god, Salem. I listened to the Mile Higher podcast and they had an episode about the Salem witch trials, and this was like in October around Halloween. Don't go in October around Halloween, don't do it. Me and my Nana want to go back in like June or July, and people were crazy. It was a lot of fucking people, but I was like, yo, you want to go to Salem? My Nana was like, yeah, like what's good? So we went and we met a witch, and she gave us these candles. And they smell so good. And I can't wait to go back. I really can't wait to go back. And since I am a Burt's Bees whore, I got more chapstick. Got some makeup. I got the Warrior 3 by Juvia's. I love this outside packaging. I love pink and blue together, and I'm like my favorite color combo. I love this, but y'all, let's open. I freaking love that. Are you kidding? That is dope. And then that's the palette. Those are the colors, and I think that this is really, really pretty. Juvia's Place, sponsor me, sis. And then Manana got me a bunch of socks. So I'm wearing the black version of these. I also got a black version. I'm wearing them. White with rainbow stripes. Black with rainbow stripes. Mind you guys, I kind of forget to mention sometimes that I am gay. So getting rainbow socks makes sense. Rainbow and rainbow. And then from my dad and his girlfriend, I got this really cute fuzzy shirt from Forever 21. The next thing is the Kylie Holiday Collection. This is box 1. The first thing is face primer. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, look. Oh, period. And we have some setting spray. I really like the packaging. Kylie is like always just so good on her packaging. Okay. Red bottle setting spray. The next thing is this mini lip set. All these colors are really pretty if you really look at it. Look at it, take it all in. That's glitter like a glass. These are all really pretty. Here is a lip kit. I always keep Kylie's lip kit packaging when I get it because it's always different for the color and I think it's really cool. And this one is called Naughty List. I think this is my favorite. And this is it. It's red. Is it red? Yeah, it's red. Next thing is this. I don't know what this is, so. What the f is it, Kylie? Yeah, this is eyeliner. Oh, is this red? Okay, wait. It's red. Kylie box 2. So the first thing, a little thing that didn't go far, is the blush and highlighter duo. I love this packaging. Tell me that's not like super cute. And the freaking inside, that's adorable, bro. Okay. Santa's Wifey and is the blush and Sexy Santa is the highlighter. And these are both of them and they're actually really pretty shades. I don't have that much blush, mainly because I don't wear that much blush, but since I have more blush, I'll be wearing more blush. Period. And we have some of Kylie's high glosses, which I've actually been wanting to try these ever since she came out with them, and I don't really buy Kylie's stuff other than if it's in a bundle like this, so I get to try them. And there is pink, gold, and silver. I'm OCD, very generic, but they're pretty, and I'm excited to try them. Oh, I found the best part of the package. If y'all know, this is the best part. And so this is Santa Claus at North Pole. I want to say that this is the eyeshadow palette. That's cute. Dear Santa. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wait, y'all. I think this is how y'all supposed to open it. The bottom was already opened. So you take this. Why? Stop! I love that. Oh my god. Why isn't every eyeshadow palette like that? If every eyeshadow palette was like that, it would be like way more exciting when you got an eyeshadow palette, right? So then we have Santa Baby. And we got some brushes, y'all. We gotta use the big one. Oh, you just gotta... Soft, I approve. Okay. And the second thing are these lipsticks. I think this is so cute. Like I said, I always love Kylie's packaging. You know, when I ordered this, I had no idea like what the frick was in it. So this is really a surprise for me right now. So this is coming to town. It's a cute little matte shade. And it's a dark red. I actually like this. That's nice. Okay. The last two Kylie things, which I think are so freaking cute, look at that packaging, are shimmer eye glaze. So I'm currently editing my video, but so I just wanted to say that I had two Kylie shimmer eye glaze and weren't that good. The formula wasn't that great. I want to say she released it with her 2018 holiday collection, and then when I got this one this year, I used the eye glaze and they actually worked really great. She improved her formula and they are great. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in here. Alright, this is the first eye glaze. I think it's super duper pretty, and I hope it works super duper well. And ooh, this one is silver. Ooh. And take the little thing off. And ooh, wow. That's really, really pretty, really bright. We're in my living room now. It was very terrible lighting, but I have to show you. I have to. Y'all! Finally, look what I got. I have been wanting a MacBook maybe since the 6th grade. I don't know, but I got it. This is it. This is it. So excited. But y'all, I think that's all my Christmas gifts. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out. This is me editing again, but I just forgot to say that if you like this video, you should subscribe for more content, and to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and say hello. I love talking to you guys. Follow all my social medias in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you.